Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional Owambe Gele because I don't think there's a name for this one. The measurement is 50-50 and you're going to make 6 pleats. See, I was supposed to make more than, but because the fabric is almost finished, I had to stop since we are going to cover the back, you understand. So I made 6 pleats, but if yours is like 4 away, you can still pleat more. When you're done, you place at the back and bring forward. Arrange your pleats properly. Then you cross on top of each other to form the V. So just watch carefully. It's a very simple gele. You can tie it for yourself and you can tie it for someone too. Now when you've ensured that everything is okay, you cross. Now watch carefully. When you cross, you're not going to make use of the one that is from the base. Like if you watch well now, you see the one from the base is on top. You're not going to bring that one down and pin. No, you're going to leave the one that is from the base up. Then you make use of the one that is linked to the back. You pin it to the base. I hope you understand. When you're done pinning it to the base, you pleat properly. Then you give your client or your model or whoever to hold. Then if you're making do with it on a mannequin head, you just pleat properly as you've seen. Then pin it before you come back to do your complete touch. When you're done with that side, you go over to the next flap and repeat the same process. You pin to the base, you arrange your pleats as seen, then you begin to roll. So just watch carefully. After rolling, you pin at the back. You repeat the same thing on the other side. Then you cover properly. We are like 80% done with our gele. This particular style, I think the one of Sego is on my channel. Like it's among the first gele styles that I did, so you can go check it out. Although this one is finer than that one, sha. I don't know about you, but from my own perspective, I think this one is finer since it's Ashoki. Now after we are done pinning, we are going to do finishing touches. You can either join both together or you leave it separate. Now we go ahead to arrange the back neatly and pin properly. Guys, please, if you watch up to this extent, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. You can comment on the style that you want me to do, or any other thing. And also, if you like the makeup on my model's face, you can let me know. You can contact my friend that is a makeup artist on Facebook, Glam D. You just type it, search for it. I would put the link in the description box. Guys, in Owambe Gele, very fine. See the back, very neat. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.